The Pre-Master's Pathway program helps international students from a wide range of academic disciplines to effectively navigate their transition into Irish university life and to successfully prepare for their postgraduate studies at UCD. We are experts at creating an effective learning environment in which students develop general academic and subject-specific language and literacies, research skills, and knowledge in their chosen academic subject area. We also help students emerge as independent thinkers, autonomous learners, and effective global citizens. The program includes a range of subject-specific and English for academic purposes modules and electives, and these provide a holistic and learner-centered educational experience for students that defines best international practice.
I'm very thankful to the English language modules because before that, I haven't had English seminar, wrote formal English papers before. Through these modules, I gather abundant experience of how to write essay using correct format and reference. Besides, the seminars in the modules really help me adapt the group discussions in advance, especially for the business students. Group discussion and presentations is really crucial.
Our small class sizes have no more than 18 students, and you will receive individual attention from highly qualified and experienced tutors. We will support you throughout your studies, monitor your progress, and help you to achieve the best possible results. Each student will be offered with academic guidance to help them meet their grades, tailored study plans to keep them on track, and regular individual tutorials with a writing tutor. When you join UCD's Pre-Masters program, you become part of a vibrant, multicultural and inclusive community, and you have access to the university's excellent facilities, including the Students' Union, UCD Library, and the university's digital learning systems. We will also offer you the opportunity to make connections within your school and meet with past students from the program who would be happy to offer you advice and support. We also organize social events and trips to help you explore Ireland and what it has to offer.
The events being held by the Pre-Masters program, like the Careers Talk and the Past Meets Present events, you get the opportunity to meet past students who used to be a part of the program that will give you guidance and advice for the future.
Also, there was a day trip held by the Pre-Master program. I still remember last time I went to the Wicklow with my friends. That trip, I think, was so amazing because it was a really nice way to build up relationship with your classmates and chill at the same time.
Students who successfully complete the Pre-Master's Pathway program will automatically progress to their graduate degrees in UCD. If you want to find out more about the Pre-Master's program, please check our website and do get in touch with us through email. We would love to hear from you. We look forward to welcoming you to our Pre-Master's Pathway program at UCD.